Hold on to your hats, tech enthusiasts. Brace yourselves for the mind-blowing reveal of Samsung's crown jewel, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, set to dazzle the world on January 17. Buckle up as we dive into the tantalizing details of this cutting-edge device. First off, picture a phone that's not just an upgrade, but a quantum leap forward. The Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the sleek and sturdy titanium frame from the S22 Ultra and elevates it to new heights. Imagine the feather-like feel thanks to a titanium alloy, rivaling the likes of Apple's Pro and Pro Max. Colors, anyone? Samsung's throwing a color extravaganza with titanium black, titanium violet, titanium gray, and titanium yellow. But wait, there's more. Exclusive online hues await those who venture into Samsung's retail universe. Graphite, sky blue, lime, and red pick your poison. Now feast your eyes on the display brighter, flatter, and more fabulous than ever. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boldly discards its curved past, welcoming a flat 6.8-inch 1440 x 3088 px 1120 Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus panel. No more compromises with regular glass screen protectors. It's a win-win. But what's a showstopper without an S Pen? Fear not, the S24 Ultra flaunts this stylish superstar, promising a seamless experience. The camera setup owed the anticipation. A new 5x camera joins the 200 megapixel plus 10 megapixel plus 12 megapixel squad, capturing your moments in mind-boggling detail. Powering this marvel is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a force to be reckoned with. Coupled with 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options galore, this phone boasts unrivaled intelligence. Live Translate Dynamic Lock Screen, Smart Keyboard Samsung's One UI 6.1 unleashes a realm of AI wonders. Hold your breath for the battery revelation 5000 mAh, 45-watt wired, 15-watt wireless charging. And here's the kicker. Emergency texting via satellite. The S24 Ultra connects you even when conventional networks fail. Now, the grand finale pricing. Choose your configuration 12 and 256 gigabytes, 12 and 512 gigabytes, or 12 gigabytes and 1 TV priced at €1,449, €1,569 and €1,809 respectively. Pre-order and double your storage for the same price. Pure tech magic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a symphony of innovation, a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of excellence. Get ready to be swept off your feet.